Welcome back to Sherlock Key. In this video, we will show you how to fix common lock issues with ease. So, let's get started. Unlock the secrets to effective lock repair with our video about best tools for repairing locks. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional locksmith, this comprehensive guide offers invaluable insights into the essential tools needed to tackle any lock repair task. First, carefully examine the lock to identify any visible issues. Is the key broken? Is the lock jammed or stuck? Understanding the problem is crucial to finding the right solution. If your key has snapped within the lock, gently use needle nose pliers to extract it. Be patient and avoid putting excessive pressure, as it may damage the lock further. In some cases, a lock may become stiff or difficult to turn due to lack of lubrication. Apply a few drops of graphite or silicone-based lubricant to the keyhole and moving parts of the lock. If your lock isn't aligning properly, it may be due to a misaligned strike plate. Loosen the screws slightly, reposition the plate, and tighten them back. This adjustment should allow the lock to engage smoothly. For sticky locks, try using a non-corrosive penetrating oil. Apply the oil into the keyhole and work the key back and forth to distribute it evenly. Once loosened, wipe away any excess oil. If all else fails, it might be time to replace the lock cylinder. Remove the old cylinder by unscrewing the retaining screw and disconnecting any wires. Insert the new cylinder, securing it with the retaining screw. Congratulations, you've just learned how to fix locks like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep honing your locksmith skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more handy tips and tricks.